welcome to today's Rise and Grind session. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm the host of today's show. Abaga Winifred is the co-host, and today's topic is 5 assets you need to buy right now with your cash. 5 assets you need to buy right now with your cash. So moving forward, this video is dedicated to 10x Digital Lane, and 10x Digital Lane is an online platform where you can learn about digital assets, where you can learn about investing and earning passive income. We currently teach you how you can be able to trade the futures market, the Binance futures market, passively with the help of AI, artificial intelligence. So if you want to know more about that, or if you want to know more about real estate, how you can be able to stay in your living room or probably in any part of the world and make money from real estate in another part of the world, just dive down, click the link below, comment, come on my DM, and let's interact.